Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the source spreadsheet and the target where data will sync. Grant editor access if needed. This prevents permission errors. Once done, identify the exact sheet name and range you want to mirror because accuracy matters for formulas. Make sure ranges are contiguous when possible. If you plan to sync filtered or dynamic data, note sorting and headers now so your formulas remain stable as rows change. You now create the link inside the target sheet using import range. Enter equals import range, source URL, sheet 1, A1Z, and press enter, then click allow access when prompted so Google can read the source. Once connected, wrap that function with query or filter to extract only the rows you need and use array formula to keep headers aligned. Because import range is resource light, it updates automatically. However, complex queries help you avoid importing unnecessary columns. Finish by verifying synchronization. Change a value in the source and watch the target update. If it doesn't, make sure both files are shared correctly, the sheet name in the range matches exactly, and you clicked Allow Access. Once done, lock headers and protect ranges to avoid accidental edits in the target. If you need two-way syncing or automation beyond import range, consider a simple apps script trigger. This solves conflict.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.